Hey guys, this is Satan in Disguise. I'm here to unbagging video today of a coat that I got, a denim coat. I think it's going to be cool. Let's find out what it's going to look like. It's not just going to be just any denim coat, it's going to have something printed on it. Try this. Hold on, I gotta fix the camera. It's a little down. Let's see if that works. Oops. There we go. Didn't turn the viewfinder thing. I guess that'll work. I just have to set hunched a little bit. Here. That's weird. It has a little bag inside the bag. I've had this package for a while now, so it might be a little wrinkled, but I can unwrinkle it. Put that over there. This is going to be a really short video. Remember, this is Satan in Disguise, and this is my YouTube channel. I hope you enjoy my video. Let's open this up and see what it looks like. I don't see anything here. It's from Fitness Wolf, sent from China. I don't see an address, but I know it's from China because I ordered it off the Chinese site. Let's see. Yeah, right. And yes, I love getting all my stuff from China or Japan because they have the clothes I like there. And here it is. It already looks like it's been used, but that's just the style it's supposed to be. So let me change the camera so you guys can see me. Turn this. Where is it at? Alright, that has to be good. Right. Here's the denim coat. It's backwards on the camera. That's not good. See here, right here on the sleeve, it has barbed wire. It's real denim coat material. And on the back is the real prize right here. That's one of the reasons I got it. It's a demon skull on the back. Plus it has some tassels hanging down here. Has some wear and tear on the sleeves and on the side. Right down here. Right there. Right there. Even on the pocket on the front. It has some wear and tear there. And it's black, so I might not be able to wear it around my cat, or unless I want my cat stuff all over it. So, if you like my video, this is it. This is the end. Yep, this is it. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. And I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.